Hello everyone, we got more news in today's video. Guys, we cannot make this up. Just recently, the last video I posted, we're talking about Coinbase, right? There could be a Black Swan event up on the horizon we might want to prepare for. And this just comes out, guys, from Crypto Whale. Coinbase is deleting Reddit posts and comments about customers not being able to withdraw funds, right? As we do see right here, do not use Coinbase. Coinbase restricted my accounts. Impossible to withdraw funds, guys. We can't make this up. We can't. So this is how we know something fishy is brewing, guys, behind the scenes, right? Sorry, this post has been removed by moderators of r/Coinbase. There we go, guys. Coinbase not working, right? Look how many upvotes it has. Coinbase is broken. I haven't been able to buy or cash out my balance. Guys, it seems like not only one person is having this issue, but multiple people, right? As we are seeing the proof right here. Removed multiple times. And the one comment that says, works fine for me, is still up and running, guys. We just can't make this up, right? It's not funny. It's not a laughing matter, but what is hilarious is Coinbase trying to hide these things, right? But the proof is right there. Now some guy asked, is it Reddit doing this or Coinbase itself, right? I think we should transfer our assets to hard wallets. Again, guys, remove your coins from these shady centralized exchanges, right? Only when regulations are clear and set, then the safe exchanges get the green light. Blockworks to tweet out, Hong Kong Central Bank. Guys, look at this. This is why we know crypto is here to stay, right? Even though if some crypto companies leave, vanish away, or even some cryptocurrencies, we know generally the digital assets that will solve real-world problems are here to stay. Crypto and DeFi won't disappear and are likely to be important for our future financial system. Guys, it's all about what we literally have been talking about all this time. The financial system, right? Not the current one, but the future one. Because we are heading into a futuristic world, basically. Again, let's be prepared, guys. We are on the right side of history, to say the least. Why? Because we are, if you're watching this video, you are definitely probably already invested into XRP, right? Now, Baba Cooks has tweeted out, I always find it funny how people think, and they actually think, this is a real scenario. CBDCs will be built on hundreds of different chains. Hold on. 1 chain, 2 if you're lucky, and then 3 is max, right? Governments like centralization. Banks like centralization. Life is better when everything is organized. Guys, we have been talking about the same thing in the past. I talked about how everything is already centralized, right? We already know this, guys. But in the future, when the new financial system is up and running, it's going to become even way more centralized than it is now, guys. And it already is centralized right now. Let's just be prepared. Quickly, I did want to give my Phoenix Reborn project a shout out because, huge announcement, guys. We are launching on Thursday, 7/21/2022. Time will be announced closer to launch as well, guys. I am doing a 30 XRP giveaway, so you guys can go ahead and check out and follow the steps to try to win, right? Now, there will be a giveaway, which is happening right now, 30 XRP. Then tomorrow, there will be 60 XRP. And then after that, it will be 90 XRP. Then we launch. So if you guys would like to participate, I will have the link down in the description below. It's always the first link, guys. So you guys can go ahead and participate, right? Now, aside from that, let's check out today's article. Big mistake. Ripple CTO regrets choosing company stock instead of XRP. Guys, this is interesting, right? Hold on. David Schwartz. In a recent tweet, David Schwartz, Chief Technology Officer of blockchain company Ripple, says that opting for a stake in the company instead of XRP was probably a pretty big mistake. Why? Because he knows, guys. He knows XRP is going to go to an insanely high price, right? Come on now. The quote-unquote first $1 trillion man. Again, you know what's crazy? Millionaires, we already have millionaires and billionaires. But what about trillionaires? We probably already do, guys, right? Hidden behind the scenes. But the public figure, trillionaires will be born. in this era of cryptocurrencies and digital assets, right? Ripple founders Arthur Brittle, Jed McCaleb, and Chris Larsen together received 20 billion XRP. Shorts took a 2% stake in the company instead of the token. Wow. The architect of XRP Ledger claims that he could have received around 500 million tokens. The executive explains that there is no point in getting XRP from Ripple because he could simply buy the token on exchanges himself. The XRP cryptocurrency is currently trading at 36 cents. Look at this, guys. Chris Larsen's net worth skyrocketed to as high as $60 billion at the peak of the XRP rally. As of 2022, the co-founder has a relatively modest net worth around $3 billion, according to Forbes. Guys, isn't that funny, right? This is how we know trillionaires will be made. After the collapse, after the reset does take place, guys. CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who joined Ripple back in April 2015, owns a 6.3% stake in the company on top of a personal XRP stance that is 9 figures. Very bullish on XRP, guys. Very bullish. Now, what do we see right here? Gary Gensler outlines what to expect from SEC on US crypto regulation, right? Wow, look at Gary. This is crazy. We do have robust authorities from Congress also to use our exemptive authorities that we can tailor investor protection. By the way, investor protection, come on. That's the most hilarious statement, guys. Now, Chair Gensler highlights SEC's work on crypto regulations. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler outlined what to expect from his agency on US crypto regulation Thursday in an interview with Yahoo Finance Live. He was asked, what can we expect from the SEC in the coming months on the crypto regulatory front? Gensler replied, more broadly, the public right now would benefit from investor protection around these various service providers, exchanges, the lending platforms, and the broker-dealers. Guys, wow, hold on. This is exactly why we were talking about there needs to be a problem first in order for the solution to come into place. But before the solution is the reaction of the public. Do we see how this is all making sense, guys? Gensler stressed he has repeatedly told crypto exchanges, trading platforms, and lending platforms, come in and talk to us. Guys, this is hilarious. We are also looking at the tokens, the stablecoins, and the non-stablecoins. Separately, we do have discussions with the bank regulators and with our friends and colleagues at the CFTC. Guys, he stated that Bitcoin is a non-security token, but would not comment on other crypto tokens, including Ether, right? Because Ether is not good, guys. We know about Ether. But Bitcoin, come on. When the time does, the truth will prevail at the end of the day, right? We know this. In a tweet out, information is power. Bitcoiners, quote, Ripple is dumping XRP on retail investors, right? End quote. Fact, XRP lion's share policy. Ripple can't sell any coins in a way that can hurt XRP's price over the counter. Reality, when Bitcoin miners go net short, they do dump on retail investors, no policy. Again, this is why, guys, Bitcoin has a lot of issues, but XRP does not. Jed McCaleb first coins. Ripple was leading the sales of all coins at second-hand markets over the counter. It couldn't be done at retail market because it would impact price, which is against the lion's share policy. Bitstamp volume doesn't mean anything. XRP's price been adjusted up and down. Very interesting, guys. I do believe that Jed was selling over the counter, right? I do believe that. So guys, let's quickly talk about what's happening and are we close to a bottom or not. David Hunter tweeted out, it looks like the USD is finally rolling over. If so, we will see big turns in many markets, including the equity and bond markets, the precious metal markets, and various commodities. We will also see reversal in various currency, including CAD, AUD, and we do see others as well, guys, right? So he's basically stating that if the DXY has already topped, right, cryptos, stocks should pump, as well as those other currencies, as he did state right there. But guys, we don't know if we're about to, or if we already did reach a bottom. Why? Because of, guys, always a structure forms at the bottom, right? A specific type of structure. Now, I don't usually use lines, but we do see right here, perhaps if you go back up once more, guys, we could have some type of, it gets more tight, right? As you guys can see, and it has to break through either up or down. And when the time does come, guys, we're gonna know exactly what takes place. But at this point, I'm still waiting and not buying because I already did buy a good amount, I would say, at around 31 cents. So I'm going to be a little bit patient and see what takes place at the end, right? Wow, Bitcoin XRP seems to be pumping a lot, guys, which is a good thing. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys, please leave a like, subscribe, subscribe, which is amazing. And guys, see ya.